Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make a YouTube short using Adobe Express. Yes, okay. So, in order to create a YouTube short, we are going to use these quick actions here. We are going to resize a video, okay? Very important here. Now, see, it said resize a video in seconds with our free online tool. So what we are going to do is drop a video in here, just a normal video. Let's find a video on our computer. Okay, as you can see, this is just a video. The video we always use, in fact. We seem to use it a lot. Well, we can scale the video a bit, but before we do that, look at all the options we have here. We have YouTube, we have Instagram, Facebook, we have TikTok custom. We're going to pick TikTok because it will do it in the 9:16 ratio that we want. And then we can just, change it, scale it there, move here, and then as you can see, we have the video just 100% perfect. And that's it resized perfectly the way we need it. We can even scale the video back a little bit if we want to add some text on the top or something, but really this is just brilliant. And then you can download it. We can resize it for other stuff too, like we can do square for Instagram if we wanted to, for vertical again for YouTube stories. We can put it back into landscape, although this is an interesting format because it's not even the format we started with. We can do portrait, and then YouTube is our standard, just the way it was originally, 16:9. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment section below. Is it something that you guys would consider using or no? And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.